Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking down prerequisites that let you move fast: niche, legal setup, pricing, and a minimal demo. Start by choosing the niche you can win in and list 3 ideal clients. This focuses outreach. Once that's clear, form a simple legal entity, open a bank account, and draft pricing tiers so you can send proposals immediately. Make a 1-page offer sheet and a 30-60-second demo to prove capability. These let you sell from day one. Now construct the engine, operations and sales. You build a repeatable onboarding flow with 3 clear milestones so clients know progress and you can scale. Make templates for briefs, contracts, and content drafts. This reduces review time. Once done, pick one CRM, shared drive, and a scheduling tool. Automate one task to save daily hours. Then launch outreach. 50 personalized touches a week and aim for 5 discovery calls. This pipeline converts and shows. Finish by delivering a paid pilot to build proof. You complete work, measure KPIs, and collect a testimonial to use in sales. Make standardized reports that show impact and set a regular feedback loop so you improve each cycle. Once you have repeatable delivery, scale by hiring or outsourcing specific roles. If growth stalls, audit 3 levers: pricing, messaging, and outreach funnel. Fix the weakest first and rerun 30-day tests, because small changes compound quickly when processes are solid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.